Hi, friends. Welcome to Quick Tips for Circle Communities. My name's Rachel Starr, host of Your Community Strategist podcast and founder of the Strategic Community Co-op, where we help community builders like you thrive. I'm so excited to introduce you to this brand new video series designed to give you bite-sized, actionable strategies that will help you shine in 2025. We're kicking the year off with something really special that we've been brewing up in the background for a while now. Our newest Notion freebie, the Community Brand and Image Hub. Trust me, this is about to become your new best friend. This template is your go-to for keeping all your brand assets in one place. Think logos, fonts, color palettes, and more. All organized and ready for you to grab anytime, anyplace. Plus, we've taken it a step further by helping you set up custom buttons to link directly to your Canva community templates, streamlining your workflow and saving you hours of hunting for just the right files. I'm about to walk you through this template, show you a couple examples, and then turn it over to you to let you dive in and get yourself organized for 2025. So let's dive in. Okay, friends, let's dive into your new brand and image hub. Why I absolutely love this template was it's kind of twofold. Number one, I was so excited to create something that would make both my business and my clients' businesses easier to navigate. I can't tell you how many times I've gone looking for a graphic in Canva that I've created for a client and I got to dig for it because I get so busy. I forget to put in folders inside Canva. And I'll be honest, I don't love the organization inside Canva in general. So, that being said, I really wanted something that would make it easy for someone who needs to create a new graphic or needs to update something to be able to access those links very quickly. The other thing that I really find myself coming across is that outside of just my community itself, I sometimes need to access things like my brand colors, my logos, my basic assets that I use all the time within my business. And so I developed this. Now, it's pretty straightforward and easy to navigate, but I want to show you around a little bit. And then I'm going to show you the actual template itself so you can get some ideas on how to update these buttons to link up to your links in Canva like I have mine now. So let's start here with just a quick little overview. First up, we have our fonts. And when we looked at our fonts, I actually even made you guys a template so you can have this really nice looking image pop up. So it looks clean, just like mine. But when you're ready to add a font in, you simply hit here, hit font. It's going to open up. And then here for type, you can put a lot of different things. I kind of just wanted it to be an information bar. And then you can drag, if you have more files, you can put them all in here and have everything ready to go. Now, if I open, let's say this font here, you're going to see I have that one file. This is a headline font. That's what I chose to put there. And I'm going to show you some other alternatives to how you can use that space in just a moment. Now, if I move down to community colors, all I've done here is, let's just open up Golden Maple. When I open this up, you'll see I have this really great color bar up here, and I've dropped that template link for Canva 2 for you at the top of this freebie. So if you want to make on-brand cover tops so that everything matches up for you, you can. Here I put my hex number, so I have it. If you have additional information, you can add that in as well. And then over here, I've got my logos and assets area. First up, I have that circle community logo, and it's a really specific size. Let me just show you what I mean. It's this guy right here within your circle community. Now, I keep that there, and then I have my icon, and my icon is this guy. You might remember when you were setting up your circle community, and hopefully you've already done this step, but maybe you're brand spanking new and you're still learning. In the actual settings under general, this is where you'll add in brand colors, that logo, and that icon. So that's why it's so important to keep all of those things in one spot. Now, heading back, I've got variations of my logo here I've added in a little bit of text to help me with, what that hex color is. They just match up to these colors. So you can get a kind of overview of how you can use this within your community and your brand. But I think the crowning jewel to this template is this are these really quick access links. So let's say that I have my space cover graphics and I'm making a new space in my community. Instead of hunting and pecking through my Canva account, I can just pop here and with the click of a button, it boom opens right up into that template inside my Canva account. I can make a new banner and I'm ready to roll. Now, the other thing is that you can customize the text, anything you need here, and I'll show you that in just a moment. But keep in mind, I've put the suggested sizes in here. And pro tip, if you haven't already seen some of my other freebies or other content I've talked about, I always export these at 3 times the size so I can get those crisp, clean graphics inside my community. Now, let's take a look at a client's community, how I laid out her branded image hub. Here's my client Maggie's community, the Silver Light Collective. We've got all of her linked up over here, and you'll see she has even more because we've got our flow desk graphics. We've got specific thumbnails and specific graphics that we use. Kind of the sky's the limit here. You really want to use this space for just that quick links to help you get access fast. Then we have fonts, we've got our colors, and I've done a little something different here with her logos. So you'll see here, this just says horizontal. Well, what does that mean? When I open up, you're going to find all the horizontal logos for the Silver Circle here. Down here, I can download any one I need when I need access to it. One of the things I absolutely love about this template is that I can share this with other people on my team so they can access those links, my font, my colors, any of the things they might need. And obviously, this is just scratching the surface as how you can organize all these things inside your Notion account. Just remember, this template, like all the rest that we've created, you do not need to have a paid account. You can do all of this with a free Notion account. Now I'm going to show you how I update these buttons so that I can have my Canva links in there. Once you've duplicated the Notion template into your account, you're going to see this. And it looks kind of bare, but believe me, once you get rolling and spend a little bit of time getting these things organized, it's going to save you so much time on the back end. Now, I've pre-populated some basic graphics that most communities will utilize. And here's how you make changes to these buttons to make sure it links to your Canva templates. First, we're going to start inside your Canva account. You're going to choose Share, and then you're going to choose Copy Link. Now, keep in mind, if you're a one-person show and you're the only person who might need access to this, great. If you're part of a team, you may want to do a couple of things. Either share the design so those individual people have access, or you can choose anyone with link can edit, view, or comment on it. Whatever it may be, just choose the correct permissions for your business model. Once you have that link that you need, I'm going to hit Copy Link. I'm going to head back over into my Notion template, and you're going to see an error message here, and we're going to fix that. So if I hit this little gear shift here, I'm going to see when button is clicked, I need to add a new action. So I'm going to hit New Action, and I'm going to hit Open Page. I'm going to choose it again. I am going to paste in that link and hit Done. You'll see the error is now gone, and it will even show up what link I'm going out to. Boom. Now I can access it. Pretty simple. You'll repeat the process here. If you need to make additional buttons, you can add them below. You can duplicate and change any text you want on these buttons. Again, customize this to best fit your needs. Down here, you're going to see there's that image block for your Circle Community logo and for your icon. When I open that guy up, I can just drag my community logo right on in, and it will populate up here for the image. Same for the icon. When it's time to add my fonts in, I'm going to head over here and I'm going to hit Font. I'm going to put the name of my font here. I have this great text box so I can give myself a little additional information and drag and drop those files in. Same for community colors. Hit the drop down, hit color, put the name of my color, hex number in, and then add in that really fun banner up here so that you can have that look and feel like my template does. Last but not least, when you're ready to add additional logos in, head over here, hit logo or asset. You can drop any of those files you need to down here. And I've got this great text box here so you can put any additional information that might be beneficial to you. There you have it. Now, like I mentioned, we've included some templates for you to make those great cover images. And let me just show you those real quick. When you first log into the freebie for the first time, you're going to find this before you get started, and you're going to see some tutorial videos here. But if you see number 7, you're going to see bonus Canva brand color cover template. And when I click that, it's going to open up to this template for me. And then I can change out the colors here. I can add additional slides in so I get all the colors I need for my template, as well as we have that Canva font cover template here. So when I click that, I pop in, and then I can make a new design from the template. I want to show you this one real quick because it's kind of all set up for you. When I come in here, I can just hit this, change out to my brand font, choose a different one here, and you've got all your letters all ready to go. Do the same below, and I'm ready to export that. Perhaps you want to change some sizing or whatnot, but in general, you're all ready. All right, friends. I hope this template helps you get organized and get on track for your branding and inside your circle community to kick off 2025 with a bang. We will see you next week for more quick tips for circle communities. Bye, friends.